Okay, today I'm going to be showing you these floating house numbers. So they do come from 0 to 9, so you can get any combination of numbers you need for your house. They each have about 3 mounting holes on the back, and they do come with these kind of metallic screws that screw right into the back of the number. It also comes with these little metallic spacers that just slide right over the screw. That way it gives a little bit of room between the house and the number, gives it that floating effect. And then it comes with this plastic anchor that again just fits right over the screw, goes into the wall. They have these little prongs, that way when you put this into the anchor, it's going to expand and kind of grip the inside of that material so that your numbers aren't falling off from wind or being pulled on or anything like that. They're going to stay nice and mounted and solid. So with these, you do need a masonry bit or a regular drill bit, depending on what type of house you're drilling into. For ours, we have brick, so I needed a masonry bit. So I bought one. I did buy a 1/4 inch bit, and that worked perfectly for these. So if you are looking for bits, these are 1/4. Once you do drill in the holes and line it all up, it's recommended you put some kind of like cloth or foam over the number, and then you just hit it in with a hammer, and it kind of goes into the anchor just fine. Because these are screws, at first people might think that you're supposed to screw them in somehow, but you don't. You put them into the numbers, line them all up with the holes, and just tap it around with a hammer real lightly, again with a cloth or piece of foam, and they go right in and get a nice solid hold. I did mount 2 of our 4 numbers, and I had no problem with them. So once I mount these, I might try and get some B-roll footage to maybe put at the end of this or upload as a separate video, but they do look really nice. They are nice solid metal. They are pretty heavy, so they're heavy duty. They're going to last against any kind of weathering or sun beating down on them, because they are, they're metal, so they're not plastic. They're not going to get brittle and break or anything. So if you're interested, please check the link down below for these floating house numbers.